So today's our topic is about round off or estimation. So rounding off, you all know that how you will be taking an estimation of a given number. So this is very important in the maths topic. So let us have an example. 7, 5, 3, 4, 2. So first you have to round it off to the tens place and hundreds place and thousands place. I'll be explaining you how to round it off. So the first thing you have to do is ones, tens, 100,000, 10,000. Mark these. And now first we are doing for the tens place. As we are doing for the tens place, put a mark at the tens place and check whether the next number, whatever the next number, is greater than or equals to 5. No, it is not greater than. So we do and nothing. So just the answer will become the same. We will not do anything to the marker number, but the next number will make it as 0. So for the same question, if it is something like, we will change the number as 74356. So we are rounding off to the tens place, ones, tens, 100,000, 10,000. We can see that after the market place it is greater than or equals to 5. Yes, the condition is satisfied. So the answer will become, you need to add +1 to the market place and make the remaining numbers as 0. So the answer will become 743. We will not do anything for this numbers. For this number, 5 plus 1, it will become 6 and the 6 will become 0. So this is the round off for the tens place. In this way, we'll be doing for the round off for the 100 place, 1000 place in the same order. So in the same way, if they ask you to find the estimate 16 into 22, something like this. So the first thing you have to do is estimate them separately. 16 is equals to, we need to mark it the tens place, the answer will become 20 as this is greater than or equals to 5. And for 22, this will become 20 again as here it is less than 5. Here it is not satisfying, here it is satisfying. So we are adding +1 to here. But here we are not adding. So now the final answer will become, as we have multiplication, 20 multiplied by 20, the answer will become 400. 2 2s are 4 and 2 zeros, it will become 400. So one more example we will take 8, 4, 3, 6, 7. If they have given an example like this, so we need to mark for the tens place first and check whether the next number is greater than or equals to 5. Yes, it is greater than. So the answer will become 8, 4, 3. This +1 we will do as the condition is satisfied. So 6 plus 1 will become 7 and this 7 will become 0. For the